What, Sola? Your mom is in the back? Okay, that's good because I got lunch for her. Hope I don't get bludgeoned into that. Well, hello, Lacey. Hi. Here's your favorite, sweetie. Wow, you look hungry. All right. I got some nip and a treat for you. Good to see you're in a good mood. You in a good mood? Yes. All right. Your mom's in a good mood. That might feel for us. Uh-oh. You might want to go back out.